Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify your Upwork account in a simple and easy way. Verifying your account is really important because until your identity is confirmed, you won't have full access to all of Upwork's features. When you log into Upwork and haven't verified your identity yet, you'll see a message that says, "Action required. Verify your identity to resume activity." Click on Get Started to begin the verification process. Upwork requires you to provide a government-issued ID and complete a short video verification to ensure trust within their community. Having all your documents ready beforehand will make this process much faster. Once you click Start Now, you may be asked to scan a QR code or send a verification message to the mobile number linked to your account. Follow the instructions carefully and make sure your information is accurate. Sometimes your initial submission may not be accepted. If that happens, Upwork will give you the option to resubmit your documents. If the resubmit option doesn't appear, the next step is to contact Upwork support. Head to the Help and Support section, navigate to Freelancer, Greater Account, Greater Identity Verification, and select Troubleshoot Identity Verification. From there, choose Chat with Support and explain what happened with your verification. Their team will guide you through the next steps and help ensure your account gets verified. Once verified, you'll have full access to all Upwork features, including submitting proposals, accepting contracts, and receiving payments without restrictions. Verifying your identity may take a little time, but it's an essential step to unlock the full potential of your Upwork account. Thank you so much for watching. Helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials about Upwork. I'll see you in the next video. Happy verifying.